Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sai. In this video, we'll discuss about what happened in today's market and we'll discuss about tomorrow's market, what will happen. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, we'll discuss what happened in today's market. First, we will discuss with Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. We'll discuss. First, we'll go with Nifty Bank. Okay. From Friday's market, we already draw these resistance lines and this one was resistance line and the support line. From the market of the Friday, we draw these lines. Okay. Based on this, today's market, did it happen? Did it respect those levels? What they called as resistance or support level? Did it respect or not? So we'll see from today's market in Bank Nifty. It is opened around 200 points gap up. 200 points gap up and market has straight away came down and cleared around 400 to 400 points. It's clear. So you can see the power of the great candle and you can see the rejection also, how the buyers are struggling here. So slow it away, the market has came up and weighted above this level, okay, above this support level. So market is respecting, here you can see the market is respecting that level and again it is coming back. Okay, it is coming back and is touching these levels continuously. So we can say the market is respecting these levels, and also you can think this is also one chart pattern what we discuss as head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can see this is the head, this is the head and this is the shoulder. We can expect another shoulder. When the market is breaking this one, the market will come up to this level because this is the level already we drawn. The market is touching this level and came back. So if you are going for buying one, you have to wait until unless the market is closing above this level. This is a strong resistance level. You have to wait until it is closing above this level. So, and you can see here itself there is the 200 EMA line. You have to wait until the 200 EMA line is crossing in the sense you have to see a 50 minutes candle above this 200 EMA line. And I will show you in 1 day time frame what type of candle you can see. You can see here it is touched in 1 day time frame also 200 EMA. In the first 15 minutes candle, the market has straight away came and touched this 200 EMA line and again it came back. So till now the market is in this support range below only, above only. So you have to wait until unless you can see any candle moving around here or breaking above this one. The trend might change from selling to buying. Okay, it might like bearish to bullish, it might change. Okay, so you have to see a 1 day time frame candle above this line. Okay, until unless we cannot go for buying. It's straight away still now it is showing some selling signal. You have to wait until you can, if you want to see go closing for selling also you have to wait for 2 to 3 days because you can see this is the rejection you can see here. So we have to wait 2 more days. You can see a rejection happening here also, and that's what with Nifty Bank. And you can see this in RSI where the buyers and sellers indicators how much strength they have. So you can come with this indicator also. So it's straight away still going down. It is near to 25 max to max. The RSI might go near to 20. So we can expect a trend down up to here also we can expect because this is the swing you can see here. This is the swing you can see up to here. Market might come and again it might straight away it might take some pullback and again it might return again here. Okay, so until unless it is coming up to this above level you cannot go for buying option. Okay, and we'll go with Nifty 50. Here also we already done these levels. You see the market is taking some resist support and straight away it broke this level and taken some pullback. Market is straight away it's coming down. You see here itself the market itself in the morning hours also in 15 minutes time frame only it gave this much rejection. We'll see what happened in this one also in 1 day time frame. You see the doji candle in Nifty 50 in 1 day time frame you saw a doji candle. This is might be a for trend reversal because the rejection is happened. but you can see how many points it came, around 200 points plus only. You can see, I will keep here this one, 200 points plus, because it's a plus sign, because the market itself is in the gap up now, so it is like in the plus sign. Nowadays the market itself showing some bullish market. So if the market from tomorrow might closing above this line, you will be going for buying option. So you have to wait another one day for tomorrow, day after tomorrow you have to wait, because tomorrow, why I am telling means, it might be a downtrend also, we cannot say, but because it's a month ending day, tomorrow itself you can see this is the month ending day, so we can expect some downtrend straight away. It might come here and it might touch, and again it might go, we cannot say that. So might go some bullish trend coming and closing, giving closing about this candle, this line around, so you can expect. Okay, so until unless you can see any one day time frame candle above this line with green color, we cannot trade for buying. Okay, so you will see in the 15 minutes time frame where you can go what is the gap up and gap down process. So itself you see the market is in straight away touching this support lines in Nifty 50. So if the market is opening in gap up, the market might come and should touch this support level and it should return back. And after that, you can see, I will draw here, the market is gapping up. Okay, gap up, market happened gap up, the market straight away it will come down and touches this level, and again when it coming back you have to broke this level, and after this you can go for selling, after this you can go for buying, sorry, after this you can go for buying, until unless below this candle you can go for selling. Okay, if you like this video, please comment and subscribe my channel, and do share video if you have any market analysis. Okay, I will share my market analysis daily. Thank you.